We are both really excited about our next guest because he's been on AGT.
Yeah.
He's the dancing scientist. Please welcome from Los Angeles, California, this is Jeffrey Vinegar.
You gotta join in.
Oh, okay.
Here we go. I'll start it. Bring it back. Oh.
Yeah. So, Jeffrey, you really are the real deal. You are a proper scientist. We just saw you can dance, but you are a scientist. What are your credentials?
Yes, I'm working on a PhD at UCLA in biochemistry. I do research every day that I'm not performing. Travel around to schools, getting kids interested in science.
That's so fantastic because kids aren't into science as much these days.
Exactly, yeah.
You gotta get them excited. You gotta get them fired up.
And I got some fun stuff for you today, huh?
Oh, geez.
You gotta be scientists.
I think we gotta go with the goggles.
You gotta throw on the gloves for me.
Don't do
we're
like
working
empty
with
hammer glasses. I was real.
Working with hydrogen peroxide. Remember it from childhood?
Sure. Well, yeah, we still use it to clean cutters.
Exactly, right? Put on your skin, it bubbles up, fizzes, kills bacteria. So in these bottles, I put 35% hydrogen peroxide. It's super concentrated.
Okay.
And the thing is, it's in these black bottles because it actually breaks down from regular light into oxygen gas. So this protects it from breaking down, right?
I never knew why the bottle was brown. There you go.
So we can break it down faster using a catalyst. So these little things here has a black chemical inside, and it's a catalyst. So I'm going to count to 3, and then we're going to take these and drop them in the bottles and then take one step back.
How were you in science?
Awful.
Me too.
Well, now I'm your teacher. You're going to be better.
All right.
All right, but you've got to do 2 of them. Everyone's got to do 2.
Oh, here you go. Okay. Here, you do 2.
All right, now hopefully this reaction happens faster. All right, go ahead and drop them in, and then take a little step back.
Whoa!
We got a little oxygen going on here.
Oh!
Look at the bottles.
That's not good.
That's how they make 2-liter bottles. No.
That's pretty cool. Fire alarm doesn't go off in here.
But this is actually just steam.
This is just steam.
This is just steam and oxygen.
So could you do that for like Halloween or something?
You could, but you know,
a prank or
that percentage hydrogen peroxide is a little dangerous. These bottles shrunk a lot. Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Wow.
The reaction went so fast, these bottles got so hot. Just touch that.
Oh my God, touch that.
They got real hot. We saw steam.
It's really hot.
Oxygen. Kind of cool, right?
Do not do this at home.
Yeah, do not do this at home.
Okay, that was so much fun. I want to do a variation.
That was a little scary. That kind of freaked me out a little.
So this is also hydrogen peroxide.
Have you ever blown up anything at home? Or?
I might have, but I can't encourage the kids to do that at home. All right, hydrogen peroxide, again, we're doing a little variation.
Okay.
Now, this time we're going to add food coloring. You got to participate, right?
Okay.
Go ahead and grab that food coloring.
All right.
I heard you don't like pink and purple. Is this true?
I'm not a big pink fan.
All right, so go ahead and just dump a bunch in there.
I like orange.
You know, sometimes like cooking,
I like
you gotta
green.
estimate. So just
a little green.
More than that.
More.
Yes, cool.
Okay.
And now we need some soap. So hopefully the soap is going to trap the bubbles of oxygen. A little for you. How's that?
Are you going to make us do dishes now? Is that what we got these gloves on?
I got the dishes covered. No
You're
sweat.
not dancing anymore. What happened? I wanted like...
Well, at the end, if you do good, I'll give you some more.
All right.
Okay, now we're going to grab the catalyst, this stuff here.
This looks like white wine.
And you're going to dump it in, all right?
What is it?
And you step back.
Okay.
So it's a catalyst. 1, 2, 3, go. Faster, faster, faster. We trapped the bubbles. This is all oxygen. That'll make up for the dancing, right? So we trap the bubbles.
Wow!
The thing is just we have soap in there, so it's kind of fun.
Wow. That was like a cotton candy explosion.
But you don't want to eat this stuff.
That was crazy.
That was fun. You can dance in the midst of the foam.
That's what I did on AGT.
Well, let me tell you, we backed up pretty quick. We looked like we were dancing.
Moonwalked all the way
we
over here.
moonwalked back there about 10 yards.
This one you can actually eat. So I'm using a food product for this. It's called sodium alginate. It's used to thicken pie filling, to make ice cream. And I've put a whole bunch of it. Everyone has a little bit. It's this liquid here. Water
it's this liquid here.
mixed with alginate and food coloring. All right, so check this out. You can do it with me, but you're just going to...
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, I'll
Not
take the syringe.
Okay, take the syringe.
Okay, so look. You're just going to squirt it in like this to make a nice stream.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop there, but you guys are going to just dump all of it, every last little bit.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Gotcha.
all the way. Nick, you're too slow. Keep going.
I'm dancing.
Yeah.
You want my lap one?
Okay, and?
So check this out. There's actually a chemical reaction that happened, and if I grab this here, that liquid has actually instantly...
Ew, it looks like a
turned
worm.
into- I call it spaghetti. Look at this. Look at
Look,
this.
mine's a big booger.
It keeps going and going and going.
Ew, yours looks like
and
guts.
going.
You said you can eat this?
Yes, actually you can.
No. Oh,
Don't do
no.
it.
Oh.
So algae
Are you
comes
gonna eat
from
the guts?
algae.
Ah.
So the liquid we have in this water
Right.
to make it happen is called calcium lactate. It's actually a vitamin, and it's also those crystals that form on cheese. So
Can I just take my one a day instead?
Yeah, definitely. But isn't this more fun? You eat the boogers and the spaghetti.
Yeah, the boogers and the
So basically, the
guts.
molecules just link together, just like these paper clips.
Wow, it's cool.
And it forms the chain, right?
That is cool.
People cook with this. You can encapsulate things. You can make like caviar by kind of.
Oh, my husband has done this for cocktails. Seriously, he's made like fake olives and stuff
Yeah, it's
with
called
it.
molecular gastronomy. You might have heard.
My husband's on a no-fly list too.
It's tough. It's tough. Cool, right?
That's
Cool.
super cool.
All right, big finish, Nick. Big finish.
So I want to talk about light bulbs. So we take a light bulb. We want to crack it open. Got a little hammer.
I've never said
Bang.
to myself, I'd like to crack a light bulb open.
Yeah.
No? Well,
No,
anyway.
no.
So here's the thing. The light bulbs have that outer coating to protect it from oxygen. So if I turn this on, Nick, can you count for me how long it lasts? Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wow,
That's
2
it.
seconds.
Oh, my money back, right? That's not so
Wow.
bad. So we need to protect it from oxygen. I have liquid nitrogen here,
Right?
so I got to fill this up and use proper safety protocol.
Wow, traveling with liquid nitrogen is no joke too, huh?
No, you know, from Los Angeles, this was tough. That's good for me.
Yeah, good for me too.
Have you worked with this stuff before?
I have.
All the time.
Yes. I
It's
have
like
seen chefs
negative-
freeze just about everything.
Yes, it's like negative 320 or so degrees Fahrenheit. But it's also pure nitrogen. There's no oxygen inside of it. That's good. I think I froze my hand, but that's all right.
That's all right.
You've got another one, right? It's all for
All right,
science.
So we got the liquid nitrogen here. Now you're actually going to take that filament. We all have one. So grab it at the
Right,
end.
but water and electricity, but that's not water.
That's not
it's
water. It's
nitrogen,
liquid
right?
nitrogen. So we want to protect it from the oxygen.
Okay.
So just dip it inside carefully, just about halfway down.
Yeah.
Right, so there's no oxygen. And if we turn it on,
Wow.
1, 2, 3, it goes and goes.
That's pretty cool.
And now it's really bubbling. That's because these bulbs get so hot. 95% of the energy goes
Oh,
to...
mine just went out.
It goes to heat.
You
all
didn't
that
pay the
energy.
bill.
Now if I take this out, it contacts oxygen.
Immediately.
And it goes out. So
And
right there,
the
it's still
light
nitrogen.
goes out.
My light goes out.
Now,
Nice.
Cool, right? Don't do that. You will get
That
executed.
was hot. I think you promised us another dance, right?
You did so well, I can totally do one for you. You
There
got
it
music
is.
for me? Because this...
Come on,
That's
guys.
it.
Get your
You beat
music. Go to commercial with them dancing.
Yeah.
So, guys,